Good morning, SciTech. This week, we're going to continue focusing on the value of stretch and explore, that we find new ways to reach our goals and we take risks to push our learning. And today, I want you to ask yourself, what am I going to do outside of school to continue my learning? And I really think this is super important for us to work on, not just for a week, but as we continue to become strong learners, because our learning cannot just happen within school. We have to take time outside of school to continue our learning, whether that's going to the library, connecting what we're doing in school with what's happening outside, talking to our peers, talking to our teachers outside of school, whatever that might be, but it's really critical to our success for us to keep learning, not just in school, but also outside of school. So a couple ways that you can get caught stretching and exploring. One, ask a teacher for some websites that you can research on. There's a lot that you can do through Google, but sometimes your teachers know very specific websites that you can go to for certain things. Also, I challenge you to bring an artifact that connects to your learning to school. Whether this is you're learning about the rock cycle and you find a rock that you're really curious about that you bring to your science teacher, or you go to the store and you see percent signs for discounts and you talk to your math teacher about how that relates to what you're doing in class. Or you go to the library and you find a book that connects to something that you're doing in school and talk to your English teacher about it. There's many things that you can do to connect your learning outside of school. Top High School Spotlight. We're going to start this in a couple days for this week, but right now what I want to do is a call to all the seniors. Miss Bernard has just sent out a list to homeroom teachers with completion rates in their homerooms. And let's find out if you're going to be the first homeroom to get all of your applications turned in. We observe birthdays at SciTech, and I want to wish Aaliyah Scott and Kemp Johnson a very, very happy birthday. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. This is a quick reminder for cleanliness. This is our school, and that means every single one of us, from students to staff. And it is our responsibility to make sure that we keep our school clean and we keep it a school that we want to go to. And this means bathrooms, stairwells, near our desk. Whenever we see something that is not clean, let's make sure either we do something about it or we tell someone to help us out with it. We had a much better week last week with our bathrooms. Now let's keep this out for the rest of our school. Quick announcements for today. Reminder that the Pelicans tournament is coming up. Let's make sure we're pushing for the 3.0. And then a reminder that we have 1 week left in February. So this week is your last week to get onto the 4.0 and 3.5 list. Remember, February is a short month, and so let's make sure that we're getting on that list so that way you guys can earn the incentive for this week. Finally, we have ReadQuest coming this Friday. That is all the info I'm going to give you right now, because every day there's going to be some new information that comes out about ReadQuest. It's going to be an amazing event. It's led by Miss Leora and a couple of other people at the network level. And DTA does a really incredible job with this, and I want SciTech to do an even better job. So be on the lookout for more information about ReadQuest coming up this Friday. Have a great Monday, SciTech.